Thai-style sloppy Joe. We're starting with a big old pan of browned, crumbled, crispy meat. And once the meat's nice and brown, grate in some ginger and garlic. Do that right on the pan. About an inch, inch and a half of your ginger root. Now we're gonna add our onions and chili peppers, and I was right in the middle of chopping up some sweet peppers as well. So we've got 2 small chilies, 1 sweet bell pepper. Fish sauce is a great, obviously, natural salt that we're gonna add to this. But a little goes a long way. A tablespoon or 1 splash around the pan. Now, if you don't do a lot of Asian cooking at home, you might not want to invest in a whole bottle of fish sauce if you're only going to use it like once a year. Everybody has soy sauce in their pantry. So you could just do a nice fat turn of the pan of soy sauce. Great. Then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons each of vinegar and sugar. In this case, we're using rice wine vinegar. And pourable light brown sugar, a couple tablespoons. Then we're going to throw in some tomato, 1 14-ounce can of diced or chopped tomato. A lot of people keep chili sauce like sambal oelek in their refrigerator or sriracha. You can add that if you like. I love to use traditional red curry paste in this Thai dish. A couple of fat spoonfuls of curry paste. And this you just have to be patient with and work it. I like to cheat a little bit and either add like half a cup of water or some stock if I have some open stock or broth in the fridge, just because it helps that, you know, well, first of all, it makes it a little saucier, but it helps the curry paste break down a little quicker for you. So fat splash of that. So I have over here just a big old pile of wedged limes to squirt on top when you're building your little lettuce cups. And then we're gonna top the meat itself with lots of fun flavors. I have a combination of mint and cilantro and Thai or regular sweet basil. So I'm gonna take our herb combo, scatter that all over the top there. This is a watermelon radish. Isn't that pretty? So I slice that up and make that into a pile of matchsticks. Put that in the center. It's gorgeous, looks very festive, doesn't it? And then this is super fun. I ordered this right online. Puffed rice. And then my favorite, I've been eating them on every break. Chopped dry roasted peanuts. And then when you go to eat this, look, you just fill it up in the little lettuce cups and you roll it up like a taco. Yum.